Hello dear Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and this is your full moon reading for April 26, 2021. Let's begin shuffling. I want to see, okay, very nice. Let's see. So you have got Angel of Health, Wealth and Happiness and the Angel of Intelligence. So definitely there must be something that you're lacking in your life in regards to your health or your wealth, or intelligence. Angel of Intelligence comes into picture when you're lacking, you have a lack of focus in your work maybe. So let's see what the Angel of Health, Wealth and Happiness has for you. How is your health? First thing, I think this is a question which we must be asking to everybody, though this is the first that has come in your reading. So definitely, Cancerians, how is your health right now? I really hope that you're feeling healthy and you're safe from this pandemic, but you have to take care of yourself nevertheless. What's going on for you financially, it's also asking you. So maybe there might be a financial crisis in your life right now because of the pandemic, and that kind of could be giving you stress, and that's why your finances are affected, and in return your health is affected. So you will have to take care of that. It says that take the necessary steps to improve your well-being. So in case you can do anything about the financial situations, then do that. Start with saving, I would say, because the incoming the income that's coming in, which means cannot be controlled by us, but definitely our spending habits can be controlled. So begin with that. It says that eat health promoting foods and incorporate exercise into your daily life. It's a must. You have to eat healthy because we all need good immunity at this point of time. Drink lots of fluids, eat healthy, which means fruits, vegetables and high protein. Okay. You have good fortune and live a charmed life. So you do have good fortune in your life, the angels are telling you. So nothing to worry if at this point of time there is a crunch, money crunch, and you're facing like, oh my god, not a lockdown again, and I don't know what I'm going to do, how is my work going to be. Then it says that you have lived a charmed life and you have good fortune in your life, so there's nothing to worry about, right? And still, in case you feel that way and you're not able to lift yourself from a place of negative to a positive, then the positive affirmations that it has for you is: I am healthy, prosperous and happy. I am grateful for and enjoy all of the gifts that come into my life. All is well, I am joyous, and life is good. I have gratitude, 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 right? So it says that do not focus on your current situation. Do not think that, it's not enough life. There's money is not enough and the things are not enough. No, it says that have gratitude. It says that gratitude, gratitude, gratitude thrice. Why? Because definitely you're lacking gratitude in your life right now, Cancerians. You have enough. What you need, you have it. Okay, you have a beautiful family, you have enough money. I know it's not a lot, but right now it's better than a lot of people out there might be suffering from, right? You still have a roof over your head, and be grateful for that. Whatever good things you can count about yourself in a day, try and do that, right? Oops, this keeps falling. So Angel of Intelligence, let's see what it's asking you. Have you been unable to focus on complex tasks? You are an intelligent being. You can lovingly accomplish whatever you put your mind to. Develop your inner genius. Educate yourself in areas you feel your knowledge may be lacking. Right? So in case at your workplace you're not able to focus because you think, oh my god, this is not giving me enough money, or there are no customers, but be curious and be open to learning, and you are intelligent, it says. So there's definitely nothing wrong with you. It's just the current situation and you will have to deal with it. We all are, so nothing to be disheartened about. Okay, the positive affirmation, however, that can help you on the full moon is: I am intelligent being with the ability to focus on complex tasks and figure them out. I enjoy researching and learning new things. I am hungry to gain knowledge. I am smart enough to realize that I can always discover new information, right? So if one thing is not working out, I know Cancerians, you will figure out another thing as well. But for that, you'll have to have patience. You'll have to have trust and faith in yourself and the current situation and God in general, right? So everything is going to smooth out as soon as this pandemic gets over. For now, you'll have to keep the faith. Okay. So take care, Cancerians, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.